Hello dear students, today in this class we are going to solve a problem using radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. What's the given problem? Find a 2-point DFT by using radix 2 DIT FFT for the given sequence x of n is equal to 2, 1. Coming to the solution, what's the given sequence? X of n is equal to 2, 1. What is DFT doing? It's converting x of n to capital X of k, a time domain sequence to a frequency domain sequence. X of n is equal to, we can symbolically write x of n is equal to x of 0, x of 1. Capital X of k can be written as capital X of 0, capital X of 1. And we know how to draw a 2-point DIT butterfly diagram, which we have drawn it here. The input variables are x of 0 whose value is 2, another input is x of 1 whose value is 1. So, what are the input values? 2 and 1. What are the output variables? Capital X of 0 and capital X of 1 which are need to be computed. So, first we have to know what is the given sequence, butterfly diagram, and then what are the input values. And third step is to compute the twiddle factor value. What is the twiddle factor here? W2 to the power 0. Its value is coming to be as 1. So, how it is computed? Based on the formula of the twiddle factor. Wn to the power k is equal to e to the power minus j 2 pi by capital N. What is k value here? 0. N value is 2. So, W2 to the power 0 is coming to be as e to the power 0 whose value is 1. So, W2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So, first step is input sequence 2, 1. Second step is butterfly diagram. Third step is twiddle factor computation. Next, we have to compute what is x of 0 and x of 1. Those equations also we have discussed in the previous class. Capital X of 0 equation is coming to be as x of 0 plus x of 1 W2 to the power of 0. After substituting, we are getting 2 plus 1 which is coming to be as 3. So, what is x of 0 value coming as 3. Similarly, we can compute what is x of 1. The equation for that is x of 0 minus x of 1 W2 to the power 0. So, what is x of 0 here? 2. X of 1 is 1, W2 to the power is 0 is 1. So, 2 minus 1 is coming to be as 1. So, we have computed capital X of 0 as 3, capital X of 1 is 1, which is written in the final answer. What is capital X of k value coming to be as 3, 1. So, what is the given question? Discrete time sequence x of n is given 2, 1. So, using radix 2 DIT, we got the values as x of k is equal to 3, 1. So, let us once again summarize the steps for computing DFT using radix 2 DIT. First step is a sequence. Substitute those values here 2, 1. Second step is draw the 2-point butterfly diagram of DIT. Third step is computation of the twiddle factor value W2 to the power 0 is coming to be as 1, and then finally fourth step is capital X of 0 equation. Next step is capital X of 1 equation. On substituting these values, we will be getting x of 0, x of 1, and finally writing the solution for it. I hope the solution is clear for the question. Thank you.